Okay, well, we're going to introduce Boyo to a side pull. Since he's going to be taking beginners around, I thought it would be a good idea to not have anything in his mouth, but to my knowledge, he's never had a side pull on. So we're going to go through everything like we would normally do, and he's going to move his head, his neck, and we're going to try to move his forehand and move his hindquarters as well, and just get him warmed up and get him used to wearing a side pull. Going to get this side pull on. I'm going to put it on over the halter because I'm going to lunge him off the halter, and he's used to having his halter on anyway as a pony ride horse, so this should be comfortable for him. We're going to take him up to the arena. He's supposed to be able to go into work pretty easily, still follow the same steps. Okay, first thing we're going to do is start out on the lunge line with him. Now, I originally worked with him about 3 years ago, so I do know that he lunges. And I know this horse really well. He has a really good personality, so I'm not expecting that he's going to really give me any troubles. But then again, a good warm-up is always a good idea. Now, first of all, if I'm going to do this, then I'm going to make sure that he's cool with me using the lunge whip. And so I'm going to desensitize slightly, move it up and down. Ooh. Always start with desensitization. He hasn't been ridden in a while. There we go. He did a little flinchy. And that's why we're just going to make sure he knows that we're going to touch him with it, and nothing's going to hurt him on both sides. Him with it and release. Now I'm going to use the lunge whip to ask him to move forward. So I'm going to sensitize with it, and I'm going to ask him to move forward. Come on, come on, go forward. There you go. He hasn't done this in a while, but he remembers everything pretty well. I'm going to keep my body position pointed towards that back star on the saddle. My belly button is going to aim for that star. I'm going to keep my hip well down unless I need it. And I'm going to guide him over these. Good boy. So automatically, I'm actually starting him out with lunging with some obstacles. He's handling this really, really well. I'm going to ask for a change of direction. Excellent. Oh, good boy. Oops. Sorry. All right. Let's see if I can get him over this. I'm going to try to go through those cones. Good. Come back over. Very good. He remembers his groundwork. Through the cone, over the pole, over the next pole. I'm going to stop him after the cones. Whip in front. Whoa. Whoa. He doesn't remember whoa. Whoa. Now that was that little bit. If he hasn't been ridden in a while, that's where that comes out. So you don't automatically trust him without doing a little groundwork. He got a little jumpy, and he didn't stop. But that was okay. We're just going to take nice little circles now. So I'm going to ask him to move away from the whip. Very good. And I'm not having to pull on him at all. He's very, very light. But we're going to do some change of direction. There we go. And turn. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Go forward. Go forward. Come on. There we go. Forward. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Good. Just has to have a little bit of a reminder on this lunging stop, release. I'm gonna touch him. Desensitize. He's gonna remember this routine. Come on. Thank you so much for joining us on today's video. And if you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see more, please check out our playlist.